Moses?
From New York. I'm from
New
the
York.
Bronx, born and raised.
Nice.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. My name's Melton.
Nice to meet you. How you doing?
So what do you like about New York City? You happy living here? Is it hard to live here?
It is hard. I'm gonna be honest. A lot of people say it's fun and you know, they see the outside of it, you know, but the inside is really like the people, like to get to know the people around here. People not friendly in New York City. You know?
Don't think so?
I don't think so. I think in Manhattan, yes, but not everywhere else.
Outside, I lived in Queens. And actually,
wow, that's crazy.
Some people are friendly, some are not friendly. You grew up in the Bronx,
so yeah? In the Bronx, yes. I have a girlfriend who lives in Queens, so I was over there for like 5 years now, probably about Elmhurst, Queens.
Elmhurst, I know where this is. Yeah, you know Regal Park.
Oh, yeah.
I lived in Regal Park.
That's right there. That's right there. That's
I worked in Queens too for quite a while.
That's great. I'll say I love people to come visit. You know, like this is a great city. Like, you know, it's very comfortable and enjoy yourself while you're here. You know.
How about the cost of living here? It's pretty high though, isn't it?
The cost of living here is insane. Listen, don't come over here if you're trying to get a little cheap little house, cause it's not over here.
It's not gonna happen, right?
It's not gonna happen, bro.
No. Coming from Poland, we noticed the difference in price. The dollars are...
I love to visit Poland, but I haven't been over there at all.
Have you ever been to Europe at all?
No.
Where have you traveled?
I'm gonna be honest with you, Florida.
Florida?
Florida.
What part of Florida did you go to?
I went to Orlando.
Okay.
Yeah, I was in Orlando for a little bit, and then I went to Clearwater.
Okay. Florida's pretty beautiful. It's nice.
It's better than over here, let's say that. Like I say, I was born and raised over here, you feel me?
I understand.
So I would give you advice, like personally me, I wouldn't stay here. Like I wouldn't leave. Like that's why I'm working now. Like I'm 20 years old.
Okay.
Everybody know, like I'm 20. I got my first job when I was 16 as a security guard. You know?
Really? Okay. Yes. And that's what you're doing here in this park?
That's what I'm doing now in this park is security, yes.
Some strange stuff going on in this park probably at night.
Oof.
The daytime too, I'm sure.
No, the nighttime is the worst. They'll say don't be out here in the nighttime because this plaza right here is where crackheads, fiends, everything.
I mean, I'm staying right across the street. Yep. But this seems like a nice area, but there's always that
underside.
Underside of New York City. That's what I like to see, actually.
That's the great part about it, you know, because I'm saying like everybody will come here, but if you come here, you'll see for yourself, like all the bad things that happen, all the good things that happen, whatever it is. And I'll say for you, if you like it, then enjoy it. Me personally, I grew up for 20 years here, so
that's your home, you know.
This is my home. Like I see it every day. I wake up, go to sleep to the same thing.
Yeah.
You know, that's why I say I love to move out the city, come back and visit. You know.
That's kind of what we got to do. We're a little bit fortunate to do that. You know.
Great.
I'm a little bit shocked though. No. Come back. Things have changed.
It changes a lot. Trust me. When you're here, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm here. I don't notice it.
Right.
But when I do leave for the vacation or whatever and come back,
you see the differences,
I see what you're talking about.
So you see there's a lot of rats in this park. I've been seeing rats all over the place here.
There's rats all over this place, boys.
All over New York City. Sometimes they're hard to catch though.
Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. It ain't the cleanest part. You feel me? It ain't the cleanest, but
you know, the restaurant over there is really good. We've been eating this food at that restaurant, that Japanese restaurant.
Yeah. It's a great restaurant.
Yeah.
It's a great restaurant. I ate there, yes, that's a great restaurant.
Nice.
Awesome.
So what do you like to do in your free time? What do you do in New York City?
Me personally, I play basketball.
Basketball?
I play for AAU.
Nice.
So I'm just, you feel me, trying to get out in a certain way. My hobby is to spend time with my family, you know.
Okay.
Make sure everything's good.
You got a big family?
I got a very big family. They all over here, Staten Island, Queens, Bronx.
That's good though.
I'm about to have a boy soon, my first child.
Okay.
You know? Yeah, so
When's he?
He's due in September.
September.
Yeah,
awesome.
So
congratulations,
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, man. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Listen, I hope y'all have a good time here. Stay safe. Y'all be safe. Enjoy yourself.
Be good. Thanks. Take it easy.